Hi, James Hayes with Dawn's Appliances. Today we're going to be talking about the LG Styler, what it is, and kind of some quick tips on how to use it. So the LG Styler can be used for a handful of different things. So it can be used as a drying cabinet. You can use it to steam, kind of refresh. There's a lot of options there. And if you look, once it's powered on, you have a backlit control here, and you'll have a handful of different features. If you just want to do like a steam refresh, you can cycle through like how heavily you need the steam to kind of occur. They have these special care kind of scenarios in here too. So if you just want to maybe you got like a suit coat, pants creases, and we'll take a look at a little bit of that inside on different places you can hang that. And then sanitizing, if you wanted to sanitize something, you can do that as well. And then this is the part, a lot of people think of it as a steam closet, but it's actually a drying unit, and it runs on a heat pump. You don't need anything special, no plumbing, it runs on 110. And then once you have everything selected, you can hit start and go with it. So on the inside of the unit, I had mentioned that it doesn't require any plumbing, so you're going to have two tanks here in the bottom, and they're labeled. You got a water tank and a drain tank. So basically, if you're going to be steaming, you'll go ahead and add water to this. It'll steam for you, and then the residual water will land into this unit. So this will fill, and you just need to go ahead and empty it periodically, and then this one you'll fill with water. And then on the inside, it'll come with a couple of hangers. Depending on which model, there may be some extras. This particular unit will come with two. So you can go ahead and hang everything here. Now, if you take a look at your use and care guide, that'll give you a lot of tips on what types of clothes to place where, what type of cycles that are okay to use with it. There's obviously a lot of options for different types of clothing. And then they even give you a dry rack here if you have something that maybe you don't want to hang. You got some acrylics or maybe like a nice sweater or something you're worried about stretching, go ahead and lay it there. And then this here is going to be where you can press some slacks. You know, you got a hanger here, you can go ahead, clip them in, hang it down, it'll lock it into place. You go ahead and close it, and you can go ahead and run that mode on the outside there. And then something else that's kind of neat with it too is if you're going to be leaving something in overnight, they have what they call an overnight mode. So on any of these cycles, you just press and hold the sanitary button for 3 seconds. Night care comes up, and that'll run for 24 hours. So basically, it'll keep fresh air running inside of the cabinet for you. So you don't have to worry about anything getting mildewed or anything else. It'll just go ahead and keep everything nice and fresh. Yeah, if you have any questions or anything, just comment below, and thanks for watching today.